we developed our business around products that are suitable for hazardous areas. Hazardous areas, what do we mean? We mean anywhere where there might be an explosive gas or dust atmosphere. We were seeing increased traction in the wireless side of the business, where different devices were coming our way. It wasn't just industry standard access points that we were being asked to install. When a customer comes to us and says, we've got this wireless device that we want to put in your product, can you do it? The first thing that we need to do is we need to make an assessment of that and look at it and say, can it be done? After that, we have to quote the solution. It would be somebody from technical sales reviewing and looking at the device just to enable us to do a quote. Our lead times were extended. We had to do something. We're selling into environments that are potentially explosive. It has to be right, and we can't shortcut those steps. So it was about how can we improve our lead time without taking shortcuts. It felt like the right time to start automating that process, removing the friction, removing the barriers for the customer, making it easy and quick to actually deliver this product to our customers. So all our CAD models are SolidWorks, all our products are represented digitally in SolidWorks, and it made sense for us to go with something that was integrated particularly well with SolidWorks. So DriveWorks was kind of the obvious choice. We actually have a department inside Extronics called the Configured Products Group, CPG for short. And that's what they do. They configure products. It's a team of 4 guys. They are the solutions experts. So anything that's a bit bespoke or custom, it goes right on those guys. It was an obvious choice that that's the team that was going to lead the DriveWorks charge. So the thing what we wanted to do was actually put the price configurator in sales' hands. So what they were able to do was generate quotes within our ERP system, which was a big win because they were having to do that manually. Now, the automation of the CAD and the documentation to go into production came a few months later. So it was a bit of an iterative process where we released one part, we got some wins, we got some value, and then we went back and then we finished the automation. When we went back and looked at our models, we realized that we had to model for automation. We had to look at our products in a different way. And actually this opened up opportunities that we hadn't considered previously. We were able to do things with the product and allow the customers to configure it in a way that we couldn't do. So previously, we would sell something, we would have to engineer it, and then we would produce it. So potentially there could be a point of misalignment. What DriveWorks has done, it's driven consistency. So the outputs that sales are giving to the customer to say, this is what we're going to provide. The engineer is automated and rule-based, and then we end up with consistent outputs that we give to manufacturer, and the customer gets exactly what they need. It's a relatively complicated assessment process for the product that was taking days previously, and it's reduced that down to a matter of minutes.